Hey guys, Colin here with Western Interlock, and today I'm going to show you how to properly end a wall utilizing our Murata Anglos blocks, making a 90-degree corner. So typically when you have a wall and you want to have all of your backfill enclosed, you have to make some sort of a radius or curve, which you can do, or you just have to stop the wall and then potentially have your backfill running down away from the wall. In order to make this look a lot nicer and neater, you can make a 90-degree corner. So here displayed, we have just blocks running continuous and then ending as if we didn't make any sort of a radius to end it for a 90-degree corner. The cool thing about Murata is we have the Anglos, which are specifically designed to make 90-degree corners without any cuts, so you can make your end of your wall look nice and clean. So we're going to imagine that this is our ended Murata wall, and there's no radius or curve here, so all of our backfill can eventually be eroding out of here. So what you want to do is either replace your last set block or add on an additional Anglo. We're just going to rip our last row out here. Then we're going to bring in our Murata Anglo. This one specifically is a left. The reason which I know it's a left is based upon this smooth side as our top, which they come up center of the pallet. I can take my left hand, pop it in there. That means it is a left, making it also with my finger, and right would be the opposite. So start with the left. Then you can start running your wall the opposite way, setting your blocks on gravel, of course. Okay, then all you have to do is alternate. We started with a left, now we're going to a right. Kind of just eyeball your offset in the same exact fashion, alternating between a left and then a right, and a left and then a right. We'll continue depending on the height of your wall.